Hi, this is John with WTI. And if you are like me and you're trying to create some content, here's my guide here. This guy is a great tripod that is going to help you to have all this different variety of angles and movements that you can put to make content creation. I do it because I have an own small business, and as a content creator for WTI, I need to have good lighting like I have here, that with this tripod I can change the intensity of the lighting, I can change the temperature of the lighting if I want something warmer, and that would give me a great opportunity to have good quality, good brightness, and great stability. So if you're looking for a great affordable tripod such as this one that you can use into different landscape modes or vertical modes to create videos and social media, this guy here is great. You can adjust the brightness and the strength of this tripod and the ring light, and you can charge it, or it's powered by USB. So this is great, this is affordable, it goes even into 10 inches. So I'm tall, so I have this problem, and I couldn't find like a tripod that will fit my height. But this one here, great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.